Good morning, class. Happy Tuesday. I'm excited to see you in morning meeting on Thursday and wanted to say thank you again for your patience and flexibility as I continue to meet with families this week to make our personalized schedule. So I just opened Schoology again for the first time this morning, and I see my dashboard. To get back to our classroom, we'll click these squares in the middle. We are section 2. And this is the week we are in. It's our first week of learning, number 1. And this is one change from yesterday. Each day of our week will have a different folder. This will be helpful if you are continuing an assignment from the day before or a few days before. You'll be able to find it easily. So, for example, we know that today is Tuesday, but if you needed to finish something from yesterday, maybe your bingo board, you can still go in here and complete assignments from a day or more ago. So today is Tuesday, September 13th. Let's take a look at our learning today. We're watching this video, and let's take a look at our links. This will also show a schedule for our day with all of our learning objectives. Now remember that you can complete these in any order that you'd like. There are numbers on here. That's to help you stay organized on Schoology. The number 1 folder will be about me and Nearpod. Folder number 2 will be about social studies. Folder number 3 will be about science. You've got it. You've got it. We have the same daily tasks as yesterday: to read independently for 30 minutes, practice math for 30 minutes, get some exercise, and to keep your learning space tidy. Today, we are going to redo the Nearpod called About Me. I changed it so you can actually draw. You'll continue to learn about communities and read a book on EPIC. You can read it independently or with me. And there's a quiz. You'll learn about phenology and do some writing today. Remember that if you're looking for extra learning, these are some may-dos that you can check out. You can click the link and it will take you to a new site. So again, this will take you to Nearpod. You can actually draw. In Social Studies Communities, if you click here, it will take you to a YouTube link. Let's see if it actually works. And you can read this book with me, or it's in your EPIC folder. It's in your mailbox. If you'd like to read with me, you can click the link, or you can read it on your own. This is the community's check-in. You'll see that it's due on Friday, September 16th at midnight. Hopefully no one is up that late. It will be a 4-question quiz. Answer the following questions on your own. Try to think of the answers by yourself, and if you don't know, that's okay. You can click play to me, and you can hear me read the directions to you. You'll also learn about phenology in science. And this is a discussion where you can post an answer and other students can respond to you. It's super cool. And you'll have some writing practice today. If you have any questions at all, you can always pop on my WebEx to see if I'm available, or you can send me a direct message on Schoology and we can work through it together. I hope you have a wonderful day.